Hi, this video will show you how to do lattice multiplication. This week your child reviewed the traditional way of multiplying numbers. I introduced to them what's called lattice multiplication, and I would like to give a few examples of how that works. Let's say we're going to multiply the numbers 34 times 26. You draw a box. Two spots up on the top by two on the side. Divide each box inside with a diagonal line that extends below and on the side. Then you take one of the numbers, we'll do 34 on the top and 26 on the right hand side. Next you take 4 times 2 is 8. With a single digit number you have to put 0 in the top triangle and 8 in the bottom triangle. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then 3 times 2 is 6. So 0, 6. Next, 4 times 6 is 24. And 3 times 6 is 18. Then looking in the diagonals, you add the numbers in each diagonal row. So here it's only 4. I put 4 there. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. I put just the 8 here and carry the 1 into the next row. So again, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Carry the 8. Put the 8 here, carry the 1 there. 6, 7, 8, and 0. So my answer for 34 times 6, we can put the 0 here, 0, 8, 8, 4. I don't need the 0. Final answer is 884. That's 2-digit times 2-digit. Now we'll do a 3-digit number times a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number. And we'll set this one up like lattice multiplication. So this time I have a 3-digit number. I want that to go on the top. So I'm going to divide my box into 3 parts on the top, 2 on the side. So there would go my 58. Divide each box inside in half using the diagonal line. And then 415 across the top and 58 on the side. Start over here. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 1 is 5, so we do the 0 in the top part of the box, 5 on the bottom. 5 times 4, 20. Then we go to the bottom row. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 1 is 8, so we do our 0 there, 8 on the bottom. And 8 times 4 is 32. And then we end it by looking in the diagonals, and we're going to add inside the diagonal. So here we have just a 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. I put the 7 carry the 1 into the next row. 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 0 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. I put the 0 there, carry the 1 into my next column, my next row here diagonally. 0, 0, 3 plus 1 is 4, and a 2 up here. So I start here, 2, 4, 0, 7, 0. My final answer, 24,070 for 415 times 58. And we'll do one more example. We'll take a 3-digit number times a 3-digit number. So we'll just do 602 times 497. So now I have a 3-digit times 3-digit. So I want to make sure I'm making my box big enough here. So I've got a 3-digit across the top, and I'll have a 3-digit down the side. Again, divide the boxes inside in half with the diagonal line. And since they're both 3-digit, it doesn't matter which number goes on the top or the side. We'll keep it in that same order. So 602 times 497. And just like in the other two examples, we're going to start in the upper right-hand corner. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 0 is 0, so I put 2 zeros in there. 4 times 6, 24. My next row, I do 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 0 is 0. And 9 times 6, 54. And my final row, 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 0 is 0. And 7 times 6 is 42. And then we end by, again, adding the inside the diagonals. Here, just have a 4. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8, 9, 10, 11. Again, I bring the 1 down there, carry the 1 into the next row. Look all the way to the top. 0, 0, 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Nothing to carry, so 0, 4, and 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And just the 2 there. Starting in the top, 2, 9, 9, 1, 9, 4. So my answer, 299,194. Your child, the 5th graders, will be receiving a little packet that has the lattice boxes already made that they may use on their homework this week between now and when we have our test. Or students may continue to use the traditional way that they've learned in the past. Thank you.